Biencourt, Biencourt.
No more fun.
Homemade brew.
Yeah, cool.
It's good, but you've got to be aware with the ingredients are online.
If you want to go make
It's way better value.
Make you a movie? Yeah. Orange or something.
I think I might actually. Something like strawberry or raspberry.
Yeah.
That's good. Also, those bring the old people out.
Well, I can talk this for big yard. Between that and Leicester.
I know they've gone up, haven't they?
We should do that good watch and bring it back to Japan. It's cheap as shit.
Hi, sorry, do you do any something else?
Yes, we do.
And you go over sometimes, don't you? You go backwards.